Medical devices, biometric monitoring devices, Lesson 3, Saturation of Percutaneous Oxygen, SpO2. This unit covers the basics of medical devices. The goal for this lesson is to understand the role and principles of SpO2 and to learn about how to properly attach a probe of SpO2. This is the content of this lesson. SpO2, known as pulse oximeter, is a device that can measure arterial blood oxygen saturation non-invasively. It measures the amount of oxygen-carrying hemoglobin in the arterial blood. Oxygen saturation is a monitoring index of ventilation and provides information on the oxygenation of the blood. The normal value is 96 to 99% in adults. Now, we will describe the principle of SpO2. Red light of 660 nanometers and infrared light of 940 nanometers are emitted from the probe to the measurement site, and the light intensity and pulse rate passing through the measurement site are detected at the photosensitive area. Percutaneous arterial oxygen saturation is measured by using the fact that the absorbance of the two wavelengths differs for oxyhemoglobin and deoxyhemoglobin. The measurement always requires an arterial pulse. The probe is attached to a site with a thickness of 6 to 18 mm, such as a finger, toe, or earlobe. For clip-type probes, insert the probe firmly and deeply. For tape-type probes, the proper size should be selected and attached so that the parts of light emission and reception face each other. There is a possibility of cold burns if the device is worn on the same area for a long time. Change the attaching site every 4 hours for the clip type and every 8 hours for the tape type. More frequent changes should be made for neonates, elderly patients, patients with high fever, and patients with peripheral circulatory failure or during anesthesia. When saturation cannot be measured, the causes could be body movements, peripheral circulatory failure, manicure on the nails, abnormal hemoglobin, and shock states. This is the end of Lesson 3, Pulse Oximeter, SpO2. Make sure you've mastered the basics before you move on to the next level.